In this video, I will talk about the importance of blind spot monitoring for your vehicle and how to install a blind spot mirror if your vehicle doesn't have a blind spot monitoring features. Before I get into the details, take a look at this scene. There you can clearly see a car coming on the left side. Suddenly, the car disappears in the main mirror and now appears in the blind spot mirror. Now, there the car goes. You wouldn't be able to see the car in the blind spot zone without a blind spot mirror, unless you look over your shoulder. The goal of blind spot monitoring is to monitor the blind spot zone to safely turn and switch lanes. Please like and subscribe if you find this video helpful, and remember to hit the notification bell to be notified as soon as I upload a new video. I purchased these blind spot mirrors very cheap on Amazon, and I will put a link in the description below. It comes in 2 pairs, so you can safely store 1 pair for future use. With this kit, each mirror comes in 2 pieces and should be put together before installing on the car. To the back of each mirror is a 2-sided 3M tape. Remove the backing of the tape and attach the second piece. Do the same for the other mirror and they will be ready to be installed on the car. The mirrors will be attached to the car by the 2-sided 3M tape, so the surface needs to be clean of dirt and grease. So I'm here using an alcohol-based wipe to clean the surface. After the surface of the main mirror is dried, remove the strip from the 3M tape and attach here to the upper end. Do the same for the other side. Now adjust your blind spot mirrors by slightly tilting to the right for the right mirror and to the left for the left mirror. The objective here is to be able to see areas in the blind spot mirrors that you won't be able to see in the larger main mirror. Now let's see the blind spot mirrors in action. There you can clearly see a car coming on the left side. Suddenly the car disappears in the main mirror and now appears in the blind spot mirror. At this point, without the blind spot mirror, you wouldn't know that a car is in a blind spot unless you look over your shoulder. Now, there the car go. Having blind spot monitoring allows drivers to drive more safer on the road. Turning and switching lanes while driving result in many motor vehicle accidents each year, and that's why mirrors on a car are so important. The mirrors allow drivers to monitor what's happening on the side and rear of the car. However, there are areas to the side of the car called blind spots that the regular mirror won't allow the drivers to monitor. Because of this blind spot, it is advised to look over your shoulders before turning and switching lanes to get a clear view of the blind spot areas. Many drivers tend to not practice looking over their shoulders before switching lanes and turning. Even when drivers look over their shoulders, they have to completely take their eyes away from what's happening in front of the car. Therefore, many car makers started equipping their modern cars with blind spot sensors and optical blind spot monitors. Sadly, some car makers only offer these safety features on their high-end cars. Fortunately, there are many aftermarket blind spot mirrors, cameras, and sensors available to add these safety features to cars that do not have blind spot monitoring. That's it, guys. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and remember to hit the notification bell to be notified as soon as I upload a new video. See you on the next one, guys.